All right, I'm in Lugano, Switzerland, surrounded by 14,000-foot Swiss Alps. It's so spectacular here, and it's a moment in my life I've been waiting for like 23 years. I finished flight school on 9/11, and that just ruined the chance for me to fly a jet and be a captain. I just finished my type rating, need to get these 25 hours, and I met an amazing pilot, Eric Norber, out at training, and he just happened to have a Vision Jet in Switzerland that needed to go to Orlando, so I raised my hand. I'm doing it. I'm pumped. And who wouldn't be pumped going out of Switzerland? Let's go, baby!
We'll find our way back home. We'll find our way back home. No, we'll never have to walk alone. We'll find our way back home.
We can't go anywhere without this guy. This is Eric. He's mentoring me in this baby. Tell us a little bit about your life here.
Well, I hate to brag, Will, but in short, I'm an instructor on the Vision Jet. I've flown the Vision Jet back and forth over the North Atlantic Ocean number of times. I run a large corporate flight department, 17,000 hours of flight experience.
That's a lot.
I've even had authorization to give people their pilot's licenses in the past, so a lot of experience.
This guy, how many times have you gone across? Like over 100?
Over 100.
Okay. We got to get this plane ready to go. We're leaving first thing tomorrow morning, and we got the ground power attached to it. I've also got a whole bunch of GoPro equipment involved in this, so you can have first class view of this flight over my shoulder. Little GoPro on the wing right there. That should be cool. It's a GoPro Max, like 360 degree view. It should be awesome. Then we got one right here looking forward. We got one peeking at us, and the one out the right wing. The footage is going to be unbelievable. There's an airport in Greenland that's like landing on the moon. It's gravel, and you can only go there if it's crystal clear. It's like
the wind tank. I don't know.
I saw a picture of it. I have to go there. Day one of the actual flight, and we show up to the plane. 50% water, 50% ice, and the wings are absolutely caked.
That's what I wanted to avoid last night, but even from this morning, where the fuel, he was pointing out by the cap, the ice is much thicker. He needs to continue to spray there.
And you only have to do the wings, right?
And the top of the tail.
Top. Oh yeah, that's a wing too, I guess.
It's an inverted wing.
Yeah.
Don't step in this stuff either if you can avoid it. Okay. You may not be able to avoid it by the door, but it sticks to you, and it's super slippery, and it's kind of gross. You just don't want to get in the plane.
This plane is ready to go. I'm ready to go. It's just surreal.
Let's freaking go. Hey, we're doing it. What a journey to get to this moment. Here we go. Okay, ready? We're clear for takeoff? Yeah, hold your brakes, set your power. Power coming up. Everything's in the green. We're at the T. Everything's in the green. Brakes release. Feel the awesome acceleration of the Vision Jet. All right, we got no airspeed. There it is. Airspeed. Stay off the brakes. Okay. Rudders for steering. 50, 60. Our fluid is coming off the wing nicely. 70, 80. Nice smooth rotation at 85. You don't need to coming back. You don't need to pry it off the runway. There you go. There we go. We're airborne and we're on a runway. A little more pitch up. Okay, and landing gear. Forgot where the handle was in this plane. There we go. Okay, flaps up, 115. Yep. Okay. And radar altimeter gives you your height above the ground. So at 400 feet, you can go autopilot if you want. Okay, and 400, autopilot on, auto throttle on. And returning on to your checklist. Good. Gear is up. Flaps are. So let's talk about this weather we're coming into. Whether or not we're going to land, you mean? It's going to be a sporty one. Yeah, we got the wind direction on the chart that was saying wind shear. If it comes from that area. Yeah, there was, and they said in the ATIS, on the last half mile, you can expect turbulence or wind shear. Yeah. Confident? Nope. Yeah, absolutely. Ready for whatever comes at me to take a deep breath. Well, we both went to the highly esteemed and incredibly professional Cirrus Flight Training Center in Knoxville and got our type rating. So yeah, here we are putting it to use. We got some ice buildup. It looks like a little bit. Now let's see. We're definitely in the moisture. No, nothing yet. Windshield looks like it. It does indeed. Like when you're going up a roller coaster, click, 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 click. You're about to go over the top of that hill. Yeah. And you know what we do then? It knows that we'd have to start our descent soon to get down to that 4,000 at whatever the EVADA is. It's a 34 knot headwind, 16 knot crosswind. That's sporty. 60 feet to go. Woo! I'm here to help if you need it. Appreciate that. And I'm going to turn it off autopilot. Go ahead. Aim for the runway.
Minimums.
Delta India Charlie Mike Delta.
Power, I bring the power back a bit.
Wait at runway.
Power to idle. Keep the nose down.
Traffic to vacate.
Ooh, that was some wind shear.
Delta India Charlie Mike Delta.
Power to idle. There you go. There we go. Okay, I got it. Left stick into the wind. Yep. Nicely done. And slowly come into your brakes. Slowly come out of brakes. That was about as spicy as it gets. Wind shear, gusting crosswinds, ILS down to minimums. Welcome to your first flight in the Vision Jet out of Switzerland. Yeah. Quite a different scenario than that gorgeous day in the Alps. Boom! That was a workout. I haven't had a workout like that in a long time.
All right, we're in London. That was a sporty. Oh my God, that was so awesome. This isn't San Diego. I don't even have words. I'm just so excited. That's so rad and hard. And lots of experience, challenging for, I don't even know what to say. Thanks, Cirrus, for the training. Thanks, Eric. You're the man. Next stop is Scotland, the next part of the journey.